unweighted blocks, a miniature 24-volt motor, string it together with a wire, independent self-developed lifting system, full accessory display. Compact accessory, equipped with low voltage and low power safety motors, driven by a drive shaft. Guaranteed horizontal lifting of the sashes on both sides. The motor does not participate in the load bearing, low load drive. Therefore very low failure rate. Maintenance and replacement is quick and easy. It's easy to make a system complex, but it's hard to make it simple while maintaining stability. Self-developed technology. Simple but not easy.